Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to install Unity CLI. Okay, go here to Google, copy this URL, you can get it in the description. After that, let's go down right here. If you have Mac, copy this command. If you have Windows, copy this command. For me it's Windows, double click here, copy it all from here, and open PowerShell. Copy this command and hit enter, and the installation is begin. Okay, as you can see, the installation of Unity CLI is done. Okay, you can get started with Unity install. Just press Unity install, upgrade your version. Unity, show available commands. You have a lot of commands. Install the Unity editor. You can get a lot of things using this CLI. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This all for this tutorial.